Charadonia, good morning, baby. Let me just bring my levels down a bit. Testing 1 2 1 2. Is that capping? Keeks, give me a testing 1 2 1 2.
Oh, testing 1 2 1 2.
Keeks, are you feeling 2 hours of load shedding?
Energy's a bit low now, hey. Honestly, not gonna lie, but we're gonna get it going.
Chat, I hope you guys are doing well. How's the audio? Mic check, mic check. Just want to make sure it's not too loud, not too soft. Everything's good. Everyone, apologies, load shedding. As soon as we got our power back, we are here. So everyone is doing well. Quick one, US durable goods a little bit later. We've got some Euro news here, and we had some CPI coming out of Japan, so coming lower than expected. And we've got quite a bit to go through today. Before we start, let's just start the day off right. Let's just invite the creator for blessing us with this day. So we're going to start with our standard morning prayer, so that everything is blessed. So our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Amen. Everyone agree? There where two or more are in agreement, there I will be, says the Father. So everyone in agreement? Keeks, agreement?
Agreement, brother.
All right, beautiful, Chad. Let's get into the session real quick. Just want to see Keegan's screen. Beautiful HD. Let me just get a little bit of a zoom on here for you guys, so you guys can see me. Hey, look at that. Keeks, I'm definitely going to need to change my diet. I don't know if you've read that recent article where they said you are what you eat. Chad, so I've been eating Sexy Beast, and anyways, okay, Chad, you guys aren't ready for that. Anyways, so no more Sexy Beast for me, because that's what I'm becoming. Keeks, you're right, the chat was ready. They weren't ready.
They weren't ready for that one.
They weren't ready for that, but it's an old joke. It always catches me. My wife thinks I'm lame for sharing it, but anyways, chat, let's go. DXY bearish on the week, bearish on the day yesterday, still bearish today as well. We broke that structure level there, and I'm still going to lean bearish. Already broke yesterday's low, so let's see. 5-minute time frame. What do we have? There's that key level. There's that 200 daily EMA. Let's just get our Asia ranges set here. Already below the Asia lows, already below this key level, already below the weekly S1. So we're going to set some alerts there. Bearish on the day for me. We're going to have to rapid fire. Markets are already open and in motion. Ding, ding, ding. Belated round one fight. US 30 daily. I'm going to be neutral on the day purely due to the fact that we closed bearish yesterday. And I don't know if we're going to continue bearish or whether this is now a resistance level that we are going to break today. So neutral on the day. Let's quickly see what the 5-minute is showing us. Asia range relatively similar to yesterday's Asia range. 80 is starting to cool bullish now. We've got that key level up here. Also the daily pivot. So very straightforward. Monitor this daily pivot level. Also monitor Asia highs a little bit later. But could see some bullish momentum coming in here. Before we continue, let's just quickly look at Asia. Hang Seng closing up 1%, beautiful. So some bullish order flow coming from there. Nikkei closing flat on the day. Okay, so not much insight from there. Daily Nasdaq, I want to be neutral as well, purely due to the fact that we've got a resistance level here, but we also closed above this previous breakout area, so we're stuck in this little range. So we're going to need to see what we do at this key level there. Take a screenshot. 3 2 1, that's your key level for the day. That's most probably going to be where the bulls and the bears are going to battle it out. 80 looking relatively bearish. There's that key level up here. And I'm going to say we need to see what we do at this daily pivot and Asia highs. And that's going to determine what we do for the rest of the day. Gold real quick, daily. Daily for me, still neutral. We are in this range. I've mentioned to you this will be the range we will spend most of our time in. Only bullish once we get above 2037 and 321. Take your screenshots now. Beautiful. 5 minutes. Let's see here. 5 minute time frame. Gold pushing beautifully bullish. Asia highs have been taken. Daily pivot all the way down here. There's that key level. And I'm going to say, yeah, order flow is looking bullish. Just monitor what we do here a little bit later. 2037. That is the level that you want to be monitoring. GBP USD. Quickly, daily time frame for me. Yesterday I was bullish. Today, bullish again. We've got this monthly pivot. Are we going to close above it? Key level here. Very, very simple for the day. 12686. Screenshot 321. All right. So still bullish on the day, bullish on the week. 5 minute time frame. What do we have? Beautiful. There's the monthly pivot. Here's our Asia highs up here. Just the young Asia low down here. And key level up here. Very close to the round number. So yeah, I'm going to say we're going to have to monitor this zone right here, Chad. We'll see how we do. So we didn't really miss too much. Only 15 minutes after the 15-minute shuffle. Alright, daily for me on Euro is bullish. Closed bullish above that previous key level down below. So bullish for me. We still have that wick fill from last week, Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is going to be our range that we are in. 5 minute time frame. Let's just quickly get our Asia ranges sorted here. Asia highs up here, already tested, beautiful, already pushing up, also half round number. A little bit late to the party, 10. Okay, that was still in the shuffle. The shuffle was done. Okay, we're gonna need to see some more price there. UJ real quick. Daily for me is neutral again, because we've got this major key level that we failed to close above, and now the daily has chalked itself. Already breaking yesterday's low, so very, very interesting price action here for me. Let's see, this is technically bearish now that it's taken out a low. 80 is starting to flip bearish. There's that half round. Asia highs up here. Asia lows down here. We're going to need to monitor that key level. Here's the weekly pivot as well. So we're going to need to see some pullbacks. I'm going to set some alerts as soon as I throw over to Keegs. Daily for me on GJ, still bullish. We just need to get back above 190.105. This was yesterday's daily pivot. Still bullish for me while we're trading above yesterday's low. 5 minute time frame. What do we have here? Asia highs. We're going to look now at the terminal. Weekly pivot down here. Daily S1 down here. So yeah, I'm going to set some alerts. Price is currently looking bearish. EJ, let's look at EJ, Chad. EJ also wait for retest. Never got that. That's a trade we missed yesterday. I'm still bullish, weirdly enough. This could just be a very deep pullback. Could be creating the bottom wick here for the day. 5 minute time frame. What do we have on the 5? 80 also starting to flip bearish. Let's just get our Asia range sorted here. Asia lows down here. Very, very simple. Either going to look for some bullish divergence here at the 163, or we're going to continue with this bearish order flow if we start rejecting Asia lows and the daily pivot. So again, I'll set our alerts. We won't miss anything. And then just Euro GBP real quick. Still in this ugly daily range. Daily for me technically leaning a little bit more to the bull side. So obviously Euro being the stronger one on the day. 5 minute real quick. Alright, Asia low still untaken, still within the Asia range. Alright, Chad. Keegs, over to you. That was me in a nutshell. Keegan's still just blasting his analysis.
Yeah, we're trying the last thing for everyone now.
Chad, how you guys doing? Millennial FX, my brother. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, guys, also go and support Millennial FX. That's Miles. He was in the office. Unfortunately, didn't get to meet him, but we'll get him on again. We're gonna actually get Miles on again because there was some technical issues with that podcast. And
so there's going to be a little part 2.
part 2, reloaded. Miles back in the house again. Kiggs, you've already been live for a while, my brother. So when you're ready.
I'm good, brother. So it is live, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so this was just delayed on the side, show me. Alright, guys, so going over the DXY, as promised, I said yesterday, I've got a flip now. We've got that daily closure over here, so obviously closing below our key level and also closing underneath that 200. That's what we want to take note of over here. You can see already this morning, this is so important, literally closing below it, trading up, testing it and rejecting off of it to continue lower. So on the weekly, I'm still going to say I'm a bit more neutral, purely because, as I said to you guys, I don't have a reason for basically dollar to be weaker other than technical analysis. So that's why I'm just going to say I'm still neutral in the longer term, but keep in mind that this week we do have some big news coming out. So end of the day, this could have even been a fake out for the week. And when news starts coming out from Wednesday onwards, you can see dollar flip and turn around. So that's why I'll rather just keep that neutral bias and just be truly honest in that aspect. But on the daily, I will start going bearish now. We have literally got that close below and just started waterfalling, as I said. Trading up, rejecting at 200 and just melting down to the top downside. So on the 15 minute, you can see over here, we had a little bit of a gap and closed that almost immediately. Trading right down for Asia lows, trying to get away, coming back for the break and literally falling down. We're now at the S1. So again, two things happen. This thing can reject and turn around. As we say, there is volume for dollar coming out today. That could basically have us trade up to go get those Asia highs that are untested and go back to our daily pivot and EQ, which are right back over there at that key level. Or if we're going to have that extension and almost carry on, very simple, we might just do something like this, consolidate here for a bit before we break lower, hold the S1 as rejection and see that continuation to the downside. So we'll keep an eye out for that one with the dollar. Basically the minute we start either getting back to the Asia range or if we start breaking lower. So going over to your indices, I'm gonna blitz through this, guys. Honestly, if I'm not looking at the pair today, I won't even do a proper analysis on it. Alright, but indices, I'm still bullish with a neutral weekly position, purely on the sense that we traded down. As I said to you, there was always the possibility of this zone being tested, and we haven't got that test, but we did get out doji, so we can turn around. But also what I love to always say to you guys, NAS and USD love faking out these dojis, so just be aware of that. This could still continue to the downside of today. When you look at, again, you basically did test these 4-hour lows over there, so you can see that was tested and starting to hold now. Again, news comes out, if dollar gets strength, this thing can flip very quickly, and that's what we just want to be aware of. So when you see on the 15, you've done this over here, as we always say, this would have been a perfect entry, taking the lows to trade up to go get your Asia highs that were untested, daily pivot, EQ holding. Now you're going to get back into the Asia range. If this thing starts doing this, very likely you're going to go for these weak lows and go for all the liquidity that's at the bottom here by the support area. So again, I am going to say bullish, but I am very aware of the sells. If we had to say the buys, this was your buy over here when you got back into the Asia range. So that would have been your buys this morning already, and that's literally been missed already, targeting perfectly the EQ. That would have been a beautiful 1-2. But as I say, that might be the move gone already, so we're just gonna have to see when other volume comes in on the day. US 30, this one was actually a bit more clean for me. If we are saying we were bullish, you're basically trading down, holding that zone we drew out for you guys. You'll see now on the 4-hour, these 4-hour support that was untested, so you basically held it as a support and you wanted that retest of it. So once you failed at the highs, very simple, you're going to come back down for the lows. So obviously trading all the way back down here, closing in the zone, doji in the zone, a little bit more bullish, and then the breakaway from it today. So you'll see the same thing almost happening here. You've basically traded down, but then got right back above to hold the zone as support, holding that, break away from it into breaking Asia highs, train up for your daily pivot. EQ's a bit more further, so again, this could still just be a little bit of a pullback to get there. If we are going to see that sell off, very simple, this thing can drop all the way back down for Asia lows that are untested over here. We can all see that nice lows, and again, seeing the support finally break. A support like this, guys, you either want to get away from it. So when you look on the 4 hour, we always talk to the guys about this. If this is a key area, market needs to react. So the first thing is this already over here, this little zone here, that's your accumulation. So if the next candle needs to start being a breakaway, either it's going to be to the top side or it's going to be to the downside. Now that's what you got to just be aware of. And again, there's no reason for these moves, and that's what I'm a bit concerned about. Going over to your yen pairs, obviously we had the yen JPY CPI come out now, which came out higher, so that is giving obviously a little bit of strength to the yen. Again, don't know how much long that's going to be lived. For once, we know the yen likes to jawbone, but this is actually a factual figure, so that has come out on paper now. So again, not saying they are changing their policies yet, but we are seeing them start to push it a little bit. So when we start looking on the 4 hour, reason I'm saying I'm on a neutral is because of this. You've seen yen smash through multiple support zones on the UJ, for example. So if you already get a closure at the end of this at 12 underneath this weekly pivot, I'd definitely say you're going to just see the continuation to the downside, and you want to be looking for those sells. So when you go to the 30 minutes, again, break, no retest. So personally, I'd at least want that retest on the weekly pivot before I see any more continuation coming at this point in time. Again, if you want to enter here, you enter in because of FOMO. There's no actual entry criteria to jump in on this trade. If we go over to EJ, and then we're going to see the same thing, but they actually, you'll see why we got that neutral position. You haven't actually taken out support yet, and that's the thing. So when you go into the lower time frames, you can actually see already now at these EQs, all of this EQs, 200 moving averages. So definitely very easy for you to hold that as support and get back above and start turning around. Keep in mind, euro and pound have been strong, where dollar has been showing weakness. So that's where you'll see UJ melting off a little bit more than you'll see EJ and GJ. So personally, EJ and GJ being a little bit of a neutral position right now for me. I'm not actually too interested in either of them, and that's purely going into the idea that, as I say, they just both are strong. Yen showing strength. If you want to sell, easier ones just going to commonly make sense would be UJ. So I'll rather just focus on UJ than these two for the day. Going over to EU, I'm still very, very much bullish on the day. We now got that closure above the zone, tested it, hold it support, and you can literally see that beautiful, beautiful closure and run over here, taking out those 4 hour highs. So personally, again, move might have been missed. You got the break, retest of Asia highs, and now she's running. If anything, I might just wait to see if we can get to the R1, have a bit of a pullback, and on that re-break, look for that continuation over there. Then going over to GU. GU, the same thing basically, but honestly, when I've got in the trade, never got my retest, but we got our closures above. Same thing, holding retest, and we're now approaching another key level. So all I'm going to do here is very simple. This key level is our highs as well. I'm either going to look to re-enter there and scale in for the continuation, or see what happens if we go back down to test Asia highs that are untested now after the break. And then lastly, we have got gold. So gold, because again, obviously the analysis with dollar, we have now flipped bullish. We traded down, rejecting the key level, but we held this zone as support. So again, a lot of times we were breaking, but then testing, breaking, and then closing right underneath these zones again. Now we've at least broke, tested the key level, but held this zone. So you've at least still getting that bullish order flow to the top side. So on the 4 hour, again, you can see this massive break, taking out these highs over here. Very, very simple for me. I just want to see a close. Let us go back down, test this key level, hold this, and I'm going to look for trades to the top side. So again, go take out those previous weekly highs. So we'll just see what happens if we can get a pullback. I am very much aware of the pullback. Again, having dollar news coming out, you can see that pullback to the weekly key level. Asia highs not being tested after the breakout. Asia lows also untested for the day. But if this will be the breakout day for gold to get its feedback, I really don't think we'll come back. You might get that little extension pullback. So this key level of literally the 2035, and if you guys have been on the stream for the last 3 weeks, you will know how much Chris and myself have spoke about this 2035. So again, want to see if we can test this again. and then see that continuation. Otherwise, we will see what happens at the previous weekly high. And that is it for me, guys.
Chad, Keegs, I want to throw over now.
Phew.
I just want to...
That was a mouthful.
Why do we usually take so long? I don't know. Chad, first and foremost, what do you guys think of the new playbook? Let me know. Check the Discord link in the description of this video. Might have missed what's the name here? GU. Not too late to enter, but I was looking at it. Obviously, just need to start settling in here. But yeah, this is technically it's like a semi-reversal trade. I almost want to say you've got this going on here. You've got actually one of these two. So there was that last lower high, creating a lower low, and then from here we started breaking above. So I was looking at potentially executing. Yeah, I was hopefully getting like a little bit of a pullback. Didn't get it, and but yeah, this is just gonna pull that to the side there. Only about one, like it's not even moved like 2 pips. Yeah, 2 pips. Euro, the obvious trade was here, Chad. Again, this is the nice reversal trade you got on Euro. So let me just show you guys this move here. That move there is basically this one here. Let me just do this real quick. This trade here, the buy setup. It's a nice reversal trade that you got here. 15-minute shuffle, come and gone, bullish. There's your nice little break of structure. You should have executed here on the close of that candle. Again, only running like 5 pips, but only going for 15. Anyways, Chad, Eskom doing us a little bit dirty here this morning. GU. Yeah, part of it, part of the game we play. Alright, there's that key level breakthrough. GU, I'm still gonna set some alerts at this key level if we come back. 126866 KL Euro running, UJ, GJ, EJ obviously being the stronger one, yeah. 163.25 3. Chad, I hope you listened. Earlier in the week, I talked about, actually last week, saying that MetaTrader, I actually said in the next 3 to 6 months, I don't know if you saw the funded trader, Meta quotes license got chalked as well. And you're going to see that with all of the US-based prop firms. Beautiful crystal Keeks. Yesterday it gives way more in-depth look into the setup. Yeah, Chad. Again, I want to float our own boat, but nobody is putting in this amount of effort into a free group. Just look at this. Beautiful. Every scenario put it out there. The buy scenario beautifully set. Your checklist. Your notes for that. Your reversal setup for the buys, your sell scenario for the continuation setup, your sell scenario, and then obviously just everything put together nicely for you guys. I think this is what we're going to basically put onto a mouse pad. We just need to get the quotes for that. And then the next, I think we're actually going to delete a lot of this. And then also the next one is going to be the trading plan. Again, my entire trading plan here put together for you guys. You can get it all on the Discord. My entire trading plan. So we're going to put this also into a very nice document that's easy to read, with some decision trees and everything on there. So yeah, we're giving a lot of value, and all we're asking is that you support the channel, support Vault Funder and Vault Markets, because they, as much as we put in the work, they provide us the access to these beautiful offices that we are sitting in, and giving us the opportunity as well. So yeah, Chad, support us, support Vault Market, support Vault Funder, and if there's any issues or any complaints or anything that you want to highlight, please do so. As much as we are open to criticism, Vault Markets and Vault Funder as well. Yesterday you guys saw somebody had an issue on stream, literally sorted it out within a couple of minutes. We hold ourselves to a very high standard here, so it's a give and take in life. Don't be the guy that only takes. That's GU. Anyways, I'll check Euro Aussie for you, my brother. Euro Aussie. Let's quickly look at Euro Aussie here for my brother Amiras. Euro Aussie. Let's quickly look at it. Gonna do a quick top-down analysis for you. Weekly time frame. You can clearly see we are stuck in this weekly range here. Obviously now the weekly has broken a previous weekly high, which is relatively bullish. Daily yesterday also closing bullish, but only thing now is we're still stuck in this daily range. So technically you've got this entire range that we are stuck in, and you're going to need to see a bullish daily candle closure above here for any further continuation to the upside. Otherwise what's going to happen is this thing is just going to trade all the way back down into the range, and you're going to need to wait for a breakout on this daily range. 5-minute time frame. Let's quickly look at the 5 for you, my brother. What is the 5 showing us here? 5 is showing us that there's some bearish momentum coming into the market, trading below the Asia lows, trading below the EMA's daily pivot down here, so looking relatively bearish. You're gonna need to, if you want to go bullish on this, you're gonna need to wait for some bullish divergence on the 80, and I'm gonna say I wouldn't touch this bullish up until we do something like this. We're gonna need to hold here, but other than that, it's still looking bearish. Wouldn't touch it long unless we're back inside the Asia range. Amiras, I told you what I'm looking for, my brother, so use it, don't use it. No, appreciate it, man, and again, thank you so much for all of you guys supporting us. We do this with the biggest love. Again, we haven't asked anything from the community. We've only been giving. The only thing we've really asked is like drop a like the channel, subscribe if you have not done so, support the work that we're doing. Ultimately that drives us as well to push harder and do more for you guys. So yeah, 150 people, 69 likes. Again, we are putting in the work for you guys. Joshua, settings on my pivot point standard. Let me quickly bring it up for you, my brother. Where's my little... Oh, there's it. All right, there's the settings. Traditional, auto, number of pivots back, use daily based values. There you can see it. Feel free to screenshot this now. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Style, just standard. Visibility, standard. That is the settings we are using, my brother. Yo, bro, it actually throws you off your flow. Especially me. I'm a guy that likes routine.
Yeah.
And I feel completely thrown off. We missed the open. We missed our pre-market analysis. Yeah, it's this. It's almost like when you're a reserve player in a rugby game and the guy you are reserving for gets injured in the first 2 minutes. You weren't expecting to go on up until the second half, and it's like, hey, Keeks, bro, you're up. It's like, what? Chad, how's the week been? Hope your week has been solid. Friday, we've got Angelo in the house. And yeah, markets are there every day. Keek, so the funded trader chalking meta quotes completely, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, Chad. I actually want to see the funded engineer sent something. Still haven't processed my refund. If you've got something with the funded engineer, please get your refund, my brothers. They are gonna get clapped within the next week or two. Total clap, not even like half a clap. So get your refund ASAP.
I must say I'm excited now to try this DX trade. DX trade.
Yeah, Chad, I've got a meeting now at 11. I got my refund from... Really, Michael, when did you get it? Because I've issued my refund. I didn't get anything yet. How did you do it? Through that form? Oh, yes. Yeah, I need to do that form. Let me just make a note. I did it on email. Okay. Okay, you just emailed him. Okay. Alright, heavy pullback here. Chat, sorry, I'm gonna have to leave you guys in 3 minutes. I'll just have a quick meeting. Processed. Okay. I'll just have a meeting with the Vault Funder guys. We're also looking into alternative trading platforms. We're safe because we're in SA, but we don't want to take any chances. So actually have a meeting now for TradingView. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks we're going to have TradingView as well. So you'll be able to come and log in here on your TradingView. You'll just connect your broker account here and you'll be able to trade on TradingView, which I think is brilliant. Very easy to use. We're going to do some tutorials on that as well. Tell them to hook us up with the discount code. I'll chat to them now.
All these guys always want is freaking discounts and free shit there. Yeah, the oaks.
Alright, chat. Keeks, do you want to sit here or can I just throw over to your screen, my brother?
You can just throw over. I mean,
Okay.
Is the meeting going to be long?
No, half an hour.
Yeah, I know my boy is probably going to come jump in, yeah, so...
No, you can't jump in, yeah. You must chill. Alright. I will join Vault Funder if we get TradingView. Dorian, you should have already joined Vault Funder, my brother. But I'll see you guys now.
Has anyone here in the chat used DX Trade before? Keep the trade does not complicate things, lol. Bro, so my thing is, I just seen people talk about it's good, like you get so much more like extra information and all these stuff, and I think people in the day it's all about just how easy of access it is for some people. Like some people are like set in their ways with MetaTrader, so I think that's just why they like fight it. But yeah, I don't see it gonna be a problem. I don't know what's going on here. It literally won't even let me load into it. So we're gonna see how this works now. Because what's the other one? C Trader is the other one I have to use now. Yeah, guys. So basically, from my side, like I'm literally paper trading here for you guys today. I won't even lie to you. Obviously. I have to wait here for my new credentials to be sent to me from my accounts, because they're all MetaTrader, and when I logged in this morning, it just tells me all my accounts are invalid. So literally from my side, like even if I see a setup now, like I can't physically trade it all my accounts, and I'm not in the, like right now, I'm not trading my personal account on it. Yeah, markets are a bit chalk to trade my personal account on. Me too, Keeks. Okay, awesome. Can't even trade today because the migration hasn't happened. Yeah, I think they said the idea is that they start in today. I think it's from today, literally from today till tomorrow they're doing the migration. Negative. I've used C Trader before, which I enjoyed a lot actually, but I'm keen to check out the TradingView trading platform. I must say I'm keen for the TradingView thing. Like I've never used a broker that like I could trade from TradingView, so I must say I'm keen for that. But yeah, I'll check out these things now to either go with C Trader or DX Trade. Just check which of them is better. Had a buy limit on AU, then I've been waiting for a week. Only to miss it because it's yeah, bro. I think a lot of people got clapped with their migration now. Give them a pinky, they take them on. Bro leveled up first migration, took over 2 months, and now they're in migration phase again. Yeah, but leveled up is useless, bro. They're useless. I'm not surprised by that. Thoughts on this paper trade? What the hell is that, bro? I have no clue what you're on about. Joy Vault Fund anyways. Does it make a difference for the rand or dollar funded accounts? Dorian, what do you mean by that, bro? Oh, sorry, TradingView link. I can't see it, bro. I can't see it. My husband also stuck until funded trader is over onto DX trade. Yeah, I've written off my 25k account, so you're gonna have to start from the ground up again with a 5k vault fund, 0.5% risk targeting 1 to 2 until overpass both phases. Yes, it's Jordan. That's a very, very aggressive risk rate. That means literally if you lose that first trade, like if you get slipped a little bit, you blow the account on daily drawdown. How does it be in a relation where both of you trade? How the measurement of emotions go? I'm fascinated, though it is. I think paper trade is also like a demo. They're having a competition now. I don't know. Yeah. Risking 0.5%. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. I read it as 5%. Sorry. No, 0.5 is chilled. No, sorry, Jordan. I don't know why I read that now as 5%. I was like, yo, bro. That is aggressive. I'm interested, yeah. Yeah, the C trade, and that's hectic though to flip and get on them. That's like a process. I feel like I'm doing some Oh, damn, I doubted my math for a second. Yeah, no, bro. That was me and my bad maths there. Vault has the options for either USD or ZAR account. Is there a difference besides the currency? No, besides the currency, like, there's no difference, bro. We've touched on this before. A lot of the time, it's basically just a psychological thing. Like, if guys are used to trading in dollars, they'll trade in dollars. If guys like trading rand, they'll trade in rand. Okay. So I have no clue. The C trader looks a bit... Oh, okay, you just change accounts. Alright. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. If you're on gold lots, you can buy there. Market sentiment, depth of market. It's actually very interesting. They make it feel very premium. C trader by the looks of it. DX trade literally just loads. I can't even load into the thing, so I can't give you guys any feedback on that. Maybe that's because they're also busy like on the migration side of things. I don't know, but yeah. So C trader looks premium, but we'll just see what happens there. Yo bro, have you tried trading with Pepperstone? No, I haven't. I like trading dollar. The smaller number helps me a lot. Yeah, it does, bro. It really does. But I think also psychologically, if you in drawdown, I actually think it makes it worse because you don't realize how much you're losing. Like, it doesn't physically hit you that bad. Have you guys tried Global XM? No, I haven't. I would go with dollar account, easier to work with, work out the risk. Chris needs to list Vault Funder in proper matches site. Wow, what do they do there? I know I wanted to take EJ sell when the 15-minute close below, but I was just too scared, just trying to get an extra pair on the books. I just trade GJ at the moment. There's nothing wrong with that stuff. Does it look like you can analyze? Does it look like you can analyze from C? Nah, bro, I will never analyze from my phone. I don't care what they offer me anyway. I would never analyze from my phone. When I started my journey, first with demos, I started on C Trader. XM is a very good broker. No, this trade looks like you guys know more than I do about these ones. So we got some euro, nothing major, and then dollar at 3.30. That's gonna be interesting. And I can't trade it by the looks of it. So yes, this is gonna be fun today. When I look at it, yeah, let's just see. Still. And the funny thing is, I must say that irritates me is I went back on the emails. If you guys are with me, we got it, but literally no confirmation. They were like, no, on the 27th you will seamlessly be migrated. End of the day, I know it's a lot of work, so I'm not bothered by it, but like, it's just bleak when you miss trades and like it's not your fault, like you can't even help for it. C Trader is decent to analyze on, but TradingView the GOAT, and now if you can execute on TradingView, it will be absolute game changer. Yeah, Jordan. Then again, as I said, a true trader, I can tell you now, will never ever analyze on their phone. I don't care who you are. No proper trader will ever analyze on their phone. Does it not have PC platform? What, C Trader? I don't know, bro. I didn't check. I just got the stuff on my phone now. Because end of the day, keep in mind, I don't even know how that would work. Like, because remember, if you're using it through a broker thing, not like a trading platform. So if you're on a PC, then you're using, what's his name? Your broker's thing to execute. So I wouldn't even be using it then on the PC. I saw that you said your hubby was in the fund and trader, and I was going to go with them. Alrighty. Well, they just deleted that message. Sure, thank you, G's, for the meeting on Discord on Sunday. Yeah, guys, sorry I couldn't be there. I had some personal things I had to attend to. XM work. I come from XM to Vault Markets. I'm using XM for months last year till I switched to Vault Markets. Their spreads are just whack. They're super reliable though. IFC trader on my PC. Okay, cool. The NAS opening candle was crazy. Keeks, what is your feel on gold for today? Brother, just go back and watch the opening. I gave my analysis. Bro, I was buying gold, then boom, everything in frozen last night. Watch me fight for a free funder challenge. Thing is, bro, like, it is like, that's the thing. They put an email out saying like you have to close your trades and that, but like, for example, if you're in a bar from last night, like this thing's literally just gone up the whole time. Like, let's just say if you even entered like off the EQ 2028, you're now at 2037. Like, that's a monster trade. Do you prefer analyzing on MetaTrader on your PC or TradingView only? I only analyze on TradingView, guys. I don't give a shit if there's charts or anything else that's irrelevant. I'm just using other things to execute. I will not analyze on anything else. I just analyze on TradingView. You guys in the funded challenge. I was going to join them. The funded trader. I was going to join them, and then I want to make sure they're still doing payouts. Please give me an opinion. Donna G. Yes, they are still doing payouts. Bro, MetaTrader on PC is trash for me personally. Yeah, I know that you cuck. Props are about to undergo major changes this year. Invest in live account and grow it as much as you can. King Track, not true, bro. They're basically just getting rid of the shit. But the good ones, they're not gonna have any problems. Like, people that came to me and told me FTMO are gonna disappear. Like, then they know absolutely nothing about prop firms and trading. If you think FTMO is going anywhere. So if you are the guy that just chased the cheapest accounts and these things and not doing your research, then yes, you might be in cuck. But prop firms as such are not going to be in like any danger. How many positions do you have? I'm not in anything, bro, so I don't have any positions open. It's just the guys trying to shortcuts who are going to get smacked. Yeah. If you've done your homework, you know the prop firms, you know the guys that are legit, that have got their regulations, they've got all their stuff in track, they meet in the terms of everything. Like, nothing's gonna happen to them. Like, just a heads up, guys. Like, again, FTMO pulled out of the US long ago because they saw the shit's coming. What happened now? Now they're all in trouble. Again, they're one of the biggest dogs there. They are always the leading giants. It's just good to have backup, bro. After MFF, I've learned the hard way. Yeah, bro, I was the same. I'm not saying don't have private, but I'm not going to tell people don't use funded accounts. Because that's bullshit. I can tell you literally every single one of the biggest traders still do funded accounts because their property portfolio, not property, they're just their portfolios. Bro Projects, what's good, brother? Like, I won't say anything. My first fund was one that got caught and they set the bar. If you didn't learn after that one, it's on you. But after that, if you're still getting caught with these type of things, then yeah, you're an idiot. I mean, there's a certain amount it costs to have a trader on your funded server. So these cheap ass funds don't make sense from a business aspect. 100%, Jordan. Like, that is spot on, bro. Can you show your positions? Fazard, are you a retard? I said to you, I don't have any positions open. I'm not taking any trades now. Funded account is the best way to make money if you're a good trader, 100%. The risk to reward is, it's just a no-brainer. Would you go through FTMO or the funded trader? I would go FTMO, but keep in mind FTMO is literally double the price of what the funded trader is. The funded trader is good. There's nothing wrong with them. They're learning their lessons and they are upping their stuff. I always say to guys, if you are these, what you want to call these Instagram traders, and making statements that you are doing withdrawals of 40k, then it can get a bit skeptical with those guys. But if you doing the funded trader scam, no, they're not, bro. If you're doing 10k, 12k withdrawals, then you're fine. So yeah, FTM, like I say, they are the best, but their price is through the roof, and they can do that because they know they're the best. So you can, honestly, if you have the money for it, I'd say go FTMO. But if you want, let's also say, like, I don't know if you have funded accounts, what your level of a trader is. If you're just gonna, like, for example, just blow it, then I'd say rather get more experience, build your portfolio, start off with the funded trader, where it's a bit cheaper and you can build your accounts. Hey bro, wanted to find out, is it possible to have multiple vault funded accounts and withdraw from those multiple accounts at the same time? Yeah, you can do that. If their payout days line up, then yeah, you can. Keys, I mean, FTMO for some time now, they are pretty good for my liking, you know. Yeah, bro, as I said, FTMOs, they are the best in the business. Vault fund is the future. There we go. Thank you, no stress. Yeah, FTMO at 10k is almost 4,000 rand. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's what I said. They get pricey, guys. I mean, when I was going to do a 200k with FTMO, I mean, yeah, I think I checked when the 200k with FTMO is, it's $1,400, I think, or $1,200. So yeah, it's like 26,000, 25,000 rand to do a 200k account. 1.4, yeah. FTMO only wants your traders, yeah, bro. They don't need to waste their time. I keep forgetting to ask, was this song you played like? There was a song you played Friday, like a brass, a piano, house piece. What is the name of it? Edwin, bro, that doesn't help me much. I can't give you a song name based off of that, bro. I really don't know what song you're talking about. Where's Chris? Chris is just in a meeting quickly. He'll be back now soon. Probably mute. He's not a DJ, brother. He's a trader. Yeah, and maybe Edgar's right. Could be mute. But that again mutes the band. So yeah, I don't know which song would it be, but yeah, could it be mute? I just don't remember. Did we play mute on Friday? What did we play? I'm just trying to think what it was mute. Yeah, well, that is your answer, bro. I just can't think what it would have been, but yeah. Okay, gold at that R1 now. Tomorrow, Jane, still cock expensive, but worth it. When you strat live, Terry usually, bro. Okay, my man, listen, I'm not gonna lie now. Like, if you can't speak English, there's not a point asking me questions. Like, I can't answer questions if I can't understand what the hell you're saying. Like, it's not hard, guys. I say to people, like, don't be lazy. Like, you literally can at least go type in literally Google Translate and send the correct message. Same to the Gula. Nah, guys, like, he's not like being rude or anything, but like, I can't help a guy that just can't even speak English to me. Like again, it's just being lazy. Like just go type your thing into Google Translate and send that to me, and I can answer your
Chat,
question.
baby. Chat it earlier. Keeks, what are you guys doing?
We
Sure.
were just talking about all the prop firms.
Yeah, prop firm space is gonna be a toughie, guys.
I was just saying, like, if you with the scammy ones that just 'cause you're chasing the cheapest accounts, you're gonna be in trouble, obviously. But the real ones have made the changes. They do what they need to do. Like prop firms aren't going anywhere.
No, it's not. It's not going anywhere. Only thing is, I don't foresee any prop firm. Here's the thing that's different with Vault Funder, and I have to clearly outline this to you guys. Vault Funder is still a FSP, even though there's no regulation around the online prop firm space. It is still a regulated FSP. It's a completely legal entity from a compliance point of view, and any complaints can still be lodged with the FSCA. So you've got this is the only prop firm that is adhering to some sort of compliance body. So that is the bonus for us. Second thing is, the broker we use, Vault Markets, is also a fully regulated broker. So we are already engaging with the FSCA to make sure that when regulation comes in, that we are already maintaining a high level of compliance. So that is the issue with a lot of these other prop firms, is they do not comply to any regulation. They're not part of any regulatory body. They're not even operating as a financial institution, and that's where the issue comes in. Like if you've got no regulation and you're operating as a securities company or a financial provider, that is the issue. So you can't go back and say, oh, but there's no regulation. You need to try and bend yourself into some form of regulation, some form of compliance, that when it comes, you're already 90% there. That's why I'm saying Vault Funder in that sense is years the rest of the other guys. So we also chatted over the weekend. We're gonna do a lot of things in terms of the compliance space, and I think that's what, at the end of the day, 2-3 years down the line, is going to be the game changer for Vault Funder against all of the other companies. Chat, I'm just trying to buy a car here.
Guys, isn't this the biggest like trading move you guys see? The man hits a win yesterday, now he's buying a new car.
Hey bro, those 500 lots paid well, man. That 500 lot, that's the reason I was sweating.
You know, I'll never forget that, because that was literally when I started trading funded and I got my first live payout. And like it was a big payout, but literally this mate of mine sends me a message and he was like, bro, like we got these cars in, you got to come test drive it. So I'm just like, okay, like here's like we're just gonna go test drive some cars, have some fun. And obviously I took Han with me, and Han just gets there and he goes, yo, man gets one payout and now he's test driving cars. And I'm like, yeah.
Or the first thing you do is you've had a good week, you start going on Auto Trader.
Yeah.
And you start like looking Porsche, Ferrari, and you're like, okay, that's 10 payouts.
It's like I only need like 8 more weeks like this.
Chad, the way I worked it out back in the day, I would take my current lot size that I was trading, and I worked out, and I would, for instance, say, okay, this Ferrari is 1,000 lots, 1,000 pips, and I work it back to pips and the lot. Okay, if I get to 10 lots, how many pips do I need to make? And then it's like, okay, this is 1,000 pip car, or this is a 500 pip car. Now I'm getting a bucky, guys. We're gonna start traveling with the podcast, and we need space to put all the gear. Like we are already looking like a young production company. How many crates? There's like 4 crates.
Yeah, 4.
It's like 5, yeah. 5 crates worth of stuff we need
All
to.
the gear. And to be fair, that's just the 5 crates that have all the extras. Because there's still the gear that's set up. Yeah. All these boys want to start doing the content, but they want to flex on, again, lifestyle, but not actually in the development for the long run. Oof. Bro. You know, this is my vibe. This is my car. Have you seen the new one? Just swipe through that. The new model that came out this year. How sexy is that?
No, that's moist, my brother.
Yes, and that interior. Oh my word.
Is this the new one?
Yeah.
No, moist.
That
moist.
thing is. Oh, that is mean.
Are we allowed to say moist on here? Sorry
I'd
guys.
say we are.
Not a Hilux, guys. Ford. I'm a Ford guy. I don't want any of that Hilux chat here. No, I'm kidding. No, Legend looks good. Only thing is that I don't like the interior. I honestly don't like the interior, and it's still a relative. Even though it's a new car, the interior is a little bit dated for me on the Hilux. I looked at the Hilux. If you look at the Ford XLT interior, Chad, this is a beautiful interior. Oh no, it's not the F-150 Ford.
What are you going with? The silver one or the blue one?
The blue one is sold. I'm looking at that. They've got like this red, almost mahogany style color. Chad, look at that. That's a beautiful interior. Okay. Let's just look at the... That is a beautiful, beautiful interior. Look at that.
I was going to say, if you're trying to show them, it's still on my screen, I think, Chris.
Oh, sheesh, Chad. Okay. Chad, there's the new Ford interior. And now I'm going to show you quickly the Hilux interior. And again, I know Toyota are beautiful, but we have to be objective here. Toyota Hilux interior. Let's quickly look at this. Okay, let's look at this. And now I need you guys. Okay, look at that interior. Look at that.
Yeah.
And then look at this. Like, you can't compare it, Chad. We have to be honest here. Like, even that gear knob, I don't know if you've driven in one of these. It feels very plastic.
Even in the dashboard, it's still analog. It's still...
Yeah, it's chalk, dude.
It's old school.
Like, even this button, it looks cheap. No, Chad. Like, I love the look. Don't get me wrong. This beautiful look, I love it. But the interior, plastic, chalked. You don't want it. This just feels solid when you sit in it.
Yeah, Vince, I'm also a Ford guy, bro. So Chris knows, like I always said, if the day I buy a Bucky, I'm buying a Raptor. Done deal.
Alright, Chad, DXY making its way back here. What is gold doing? Okay, gold rejecting that key level. I am from now on Ford.
That Ford will be chalked when you do some real work. Wayne, we're not farmers, brother, so it's not going to be chalked at all.
Okay, yeah. Here's my thing. I just want to grab something. 95% of Bucky owners do not use it on a farm. It's usually the Joburg boots. They put all of the kit on. They've never touched off-road. They are kitted. They've got the shocks. They've got the bash plates, everything. You're not even going to see that guy on the trail driving it. So we have to be very honest. Like, nobody... Keeks, how many guys have actually driven off-road with their Buckies? So let's not go with the work. And even if you're a farmer, my dude, you're not farming with that thing. You're literally driving from your farm. Please. Who said that? Who said that?
Wayne.
No, man, Wayne. Come on. I can see you a Toyota guy. Don't be that guy.
Yeah, no, guys. I'm always the Ford is just a fair point off road, so that's why I said, yeah, bro. The thing is, if you are off roading, like I've always said that to guys. I mean, we will always give the creds. I'm a big car person, and Top Gear did it purely that Hilux is indestructible. Those things are built for life. But if you're doing the work, 100%. But also at the same time, for me, if you are going truly off road, there is better off road vehicles. But yeah, if you want to just talk like a hard worker, then just the bucky class, the Hilux does get it. But yeah, it's just outdated. It feels old.
Neil hit the nail on the head there. Every Hilux owner with a John Deere sticker. My hart begin waar die teerpad eindig, but I live in a complex. In Joburg. Neil, 100, bro, you hit it on the head there, my brother.
It's like Sunday where the guy said Chris for his chores. So he must move this.
No, Vinna is over to an iPhone now, Chad.
You got that phone sorted, guys.
No, that phone is beautiful. Vin said after his first big payout, he's getting the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. He's done with that Android life. He's been saved.
Dorito, no offense, brother. I can't trust your opinion when you're the man standing up for a GTR. Like, I can't accept that, bro. You know, hey, there's always that joke that goes around, and I actually said, like, I promise you, I'll swear by it, because I've never owned one, never will. I will work my ass off so that one day my daughter is not impressed by a GTR.
Yo, Chad.
That is. I know I'm gonna offend some people with that one,
Hey,
but
Chad, what is this man saying here?
Chris, did you ever own a GTR?
No, I would have loved to own one. The only thing is, I have to give it to VW. The GTRs all their price as well, eh? We have to be very honest with that. Also,
I'd say the Golf R more.
Yeah. But even like any VW, like in that range, like Polo, GTR, Golf, like VW is a very good brand, guys. We need to realize, like, I've sat in a Tesla. When I was in Spain, I went to the Tesla dealership, and you cannot even compare the build quality of a Tesla against a VW. Germans just know how to produce very, very good cars, like any German car. Irrespective of all the tech a Tesla has, like if you put a Tesla next to a Merc or a BMW or a Audi, the build quality, you cannot compare it. Like Tesla is not on that level yet, even if they want to be, they're not. The Germans just have the upper hand. They've been building cars for how many years? So again, very, very durable car, build quality phenomenal, and nothing wrong. No, I love a GTI.
Nah.
Really, you don't like it?
No, like the thing is, so like for example, what King Show was talking about there, saying the powerful price, easily modified, all these things. Cool, I get that. But again, in essence, you just paid for convenience. You never paid for quality. You never paid for that heritage. You never paid for that brand. You never paid for that again, quality. As much as you will say that about GTR, I'm sorry, the interior doesn't match. They've added all that now to fix those things, to change the aspect of them. And like Edwin said there, now you're paying R1 million for a VW. I'm sorry, never going to do that.
No, I wouldn't do
so
that.
So you've fixed the problems to take it out of that class, but now you've put a price on it that doesn't match that car.
Yeah, no, 100% agree.
So now for my thing is, like, again, what Jordan says there, you can go Audi S3. No brainer. I'll take that S3 any day. And that S3 will run circles around that GTR. So Nah, I'll never. I did say I would have bought a Golf R maybe in my life if I didn't live in South Africa. If I didn't live in South Africa, I would have bought a Golf R. But the GTR, unfortunately.
But you know the S5, the S4, the S3 eater sitting outside, yeah.
Yeah.
You know that. So we are BMW boy. I almost wanted to say the F word, but yo, I'm getting. If I say that F word, it's first my wife, then my brother. If I have to say the F word, the first thing my brother's gonna say is like, "Hey, wanneer wie die kaart kom Sondag?" So ek sê, "Dude, ek het een keer die F word gebruik." Ja, so right.
I promise you at this point, I literally think this Void, he must be like Loki, like Jevon or something. Hey, bro, get the QQ cherry and we'll steal all your chat goals. Because I still remember we said to the one day, guys, I promise you not. He'll come in here and tell you if he's not on the chat. But we were talking about dream cars and we all like Ferraris, Lambos.
Oh, yeah.
Things. And Jev's like, nah, he wants a cherry.
But that SUV one.
Yeah, and I'm like,
look,
okay.
it's not an ugly car.
No, it's not.
I have to say Cherry, and is it FAW or what's the
Haval, or which one?
No, I think it's the one.
Oh, I know which one you're talking about. Not F.
I want
Is
to
it
show you.
HWV or HVW
Yeah,
or something?
they also have quite a nice SUV. When I saw it, I was like, "Flip! This is actually not a ugly car."
I know he wants it. It's got that big grill in the front.
Let's quickly check here. Again, guys, we are not sponsored by Cherry, but if you know somebody, we'll take a Cherry. If you know somebody from Cherry, by all means, proudly driven by Cherry in the Tiggo 8. Okay, their website's a little bit chalk. Cherry, you need to chat about that. Is it the FAW Keeks? There's one that...
Nolan, that is so true, bro.
A Vol. Is it a Vol? No, I don't think it's... Let's see a Vol quickly.
American Muscle Imports. Ooh, bro, that's a tough one. I would say I'm probably going to get imports, but... If I'm looking, I do appreciate like this, for example, the classics American Muscle, or if it had to be the newer models, it's all the ones like we don't get, like the Demon, the Hellcat, those things. I'm not too interested in the Mustang, like the new Mustangs. If you're talking like the old Shelby Mustangs, that is beautiful. But yeah, if we're talking like new, I'd probably say imports, because the muscle imports I would buy, we don't get, yeah.
Keeks, that's not an ugly car. Come on.
No, it's not. No, I do give it on like the looks, like the inside of that looks better than the Hilux.
Yeah, look at that nice little knob there. Almost that. So they've got a little bit of a mix of Merc.
The Jolien, yeah, I think that's the one.
This is like a little bit of a mix from the X7 and... But again now, Chad, would you pay 700k for this? This is now the other question. Almost 700k if you're going to take your delivery costs and everything into it.
How much is it?
Starting from 680, so that's obviously the base.
But to be fair, hold on. If I'm correct, I don't know if it's Cherry or if that was Haval. They've got like an insane warranty or something.
Yeah, 5 year,
yeah.
150,000.
They've got an insane warranty.
Bro, this is a beautiful interior, like Cherry. It's just that name. Like,
yeah.
I will, if I get this Cherry, I will just rip that off, and all of this, like, you don't need all of that. But beautiful interior. Cherry, contact us.
The Haval GT, nah, bro, the Haval GT, I might say sick, but it literally looks like a baby Urus. It literally looks like a baby Urus.
It's literally a baby Urus. Chad, but if I ever...
Don't say Germany. Don't say no.
Chad, listen here.
No, man.
Chad, listen here. If I ever have like walking around money, just for the giggles, I would get me a Jimny. But again, they are way overpriced. I'll never pay that for a car.
Actually, hold on. Did you see there was those guys overseas that were doing the kits? That did the G
yeah,
wagon.
check it, bro. Look at this. Look at this, Chad. It looks like a little Brabus.
It literally looks like a little Brabus.
Jimny Brabus. Look at this, Chad. What do you think
Check
of
it
that?
thing.
A little Jimny Brabus. How insane is this? Huh?
You know what?
Look at that, bro. That looks amazing.
I promise you.
A little G-Wagon.
If we had super money, I would buy one of those just to go park it next to Case.
Check it out, bro. Little Brabus kit in the...
You're the interior.
Bro, look at that. Look at that little Brabus. That's the cutest thing you'll see today.
And then a casual Bugatti.
Oh yeah, they're actually next to one another, Keeks. The real Brabus.
Just let us know you are human.
I'm human. Check it out. A real Brabus next to a gym.
To be fair, I will give it the looks. Like, it does look like it. But just no. You know what it makes me think? Like, that's those toy cars. If you just cut the roof off, that's those toy cars you go buy your kids to like drive around the house in. Those little electric things.
Yeah.
That's identical to that.
Hey, Keeks doing my Jimny wrong here, Chad. It's the young Jim. Alright, Chad, let's look at Euro. Remember, I am bullish on the day. Let's see if we can hold these Asia highs. If not, I think this thing's going to come down. GU as well. Currently rejecting this key level all the way up here. Holding the 200 though. 80 also starting to show some signs of cracking. So are we actually going to start looking for the shorts now? Very, very interesting, because this is a massive key level, Chat. 4 days in a row we're bumping our head against this monthly pivot, this key level, just looking left on the daily. So very, very interesting. Also, if you think about it, we've had 5 straight days of push. When was the last time? This was 4 days, pulled back 1 day. It has been a while where even this 4 days started pulling back. This was a little bit of a run. This was 2, 4, 6 days. Then we started pulling back. So are we going to start seeing that pullback here? Or are we going to start breaking higher? That's my thing. That is my question. Are we going to start going for these shorts here? I'm going to actually monitor this daily pivot, Chad. Let's see here. The idea here is for the pullback play, even though we are bullish on the week. DXY already at the weekly S1. There's that weekly S1. Very interesting. Gigs, what do you think of this GU short?
GU short, yeah, back it. Dollar's literally coming back now.
It's your time to play devil's advocate. This was actually a trade here, Chad. Breaking back into the Asia range. This was your trade. This is that sell continuation. I was obviously quickly in that meeting, but it's not missed. We can now just purely wait for this daily pivot. We've got the Asia lows as our advantage point, and then we can potentially push all the way down to this 50. Weekly pivot, I think, is still untested. Yeah, weekly pivot is completely untested. Only thing I do not like, and I think they're going to run it, if you look at these highs. Again, I'm not an SMC trader, but there's a lot of stops above these highs. So those trend line traders, they are going to get ripped. So that's my only thing here. Trend line traders are making money now, but they are going to pay a little bit later. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day. I don't know if you remember that clip from Moreno, the Mexican fighter. Do you know that? Let's quickly play it for you guys. You guys aren't aware. Let me just play this for you guys so you know where I'm coming from.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, and maybe not the next month. But only one thing is true. I will be champion one day. I promise. I promise.
There's a Chad. I love that guy, Moreno. You know Brandon Moreno?
Yeah.
Geeks. What a ledge. I love him. Such a cool guy. What are your thoughts on Tetra? If I don't know Tetra, where's Tetra?
Tetra's the guy we were looking at his live streams those times.
I don't know, dude. I haven't. He doesn't look like a fun guy,
He
though.
looks like a bot.
Yeah, Tetra FX. Yeah, he looks very serious. He's obviously in Donvo's community because he's got Don's stream layout. Even his video layouts, like it's carbon copy of Donvo. So he's obviously in that community. So I think he's getting a lot of traction from Don. Yeah, I haven't really looked at him, to be honest. He doesn't look like a fun guy. There's no personality. The big thing, as much as you stream trading content, you still need to have a personality. You still need to engage with your audience. And yeah, bro, if we're gonna sit here for 3 hours like this, imagine me and Keegan. Oh, Keegs, gold just technically looking like it's not gonna do anything. Keegs, what do you think of Euro? Like,
Yeah. It's gonna be a very, very long day, bro.
Yeah. Chad, you won't watch that. Bulla, do you watch Don streams from time to time? Years ago, I loved these streams because I was sitting alone, similar to what you guys are doing, sitting alone at home, and I literally just had him on the back end, just listening. Very entertaining. That's the other part of the streams as well. Like I mentioned, don't like his strategy. Never took a trade with him, just purely for him. And what's the other guy with the dreads? Wix9. So purely just went there for some conversation. But yeah, in terms of streaming quality, in terms of the engagement, not a bad stream at all. In terms of his trading strategy, not something I'm willing to trade. I'm not gonna risk half of my account for 10 pips. Tomorrow my life starts to have real meaning again. What's happening, King Shack? Chat to me, brother. Why Curry Stevens? Why Curry, are you from New Zealand? That sounds like something in New Zealand. He the man. No, I like him, but the real man is sitting next to me. The guy that pushes 140 kgs like it's nothing. Bro, that is absolutely disgusting. Chat, I hope you guys didn't see that. Filthy. There should actually be a PG rating on that. No 140 kicks. I'll take it back, guys. Remember I said 140, that for me is heavy. This guy, I don't know. 140, filthy. Yes, sir. I actually got a job opportunity in New Zealand, off a little island, and when I looked at it, this was a year or two ago, somebody picked up my CV from LinkedIn, and let me just show you guys, and I was like, sure. Told my wife it was down here. Let me just turn this around. just put the layers on. It was close to a reserve here. I'll see it. Roxburgh. Wait, give me a second.
Inter, yeah, Josh Brevet is legit, bro. Wasn't 180. Oh, 180 was the final. 140 was my opener. F1 is back, baby. Yeah, F1 is back, guys.
That's not cool.
South Island.
Fuck, where did I don't have that email on here. It was with Downer.
Are you talking about that Donver, the Asian looking guy? Yeah.
Brad, do you think he got his teeth done? Because
Yeah,
no
he did.
way,
No, he
no
did.
way his teeth is that good.
Kate saw one of his videos, and the first thing she said was that he had his teeth done.
Bro, those
Yeah.
teeth are perfect. I think I need to get my teeth fixed. We need to get our hair done. How's your teeth? Keeks, wait, quick look in the camera there. Give me a little, wait. Smile to me. Wait. Keeks, show me. Your teeth also
Bottoms. Yeah.
Yeah, my teeth are complete. Like even, bro, it's not even lining up. Geeks, before we can buy cars, bro, hairline, teeth. Like, what are we doing? we need to sort out some stuff. Yeah, Chad, I was almost on my way to New Zealand. And then I checked our home prices, 15 million rand for like you'll pay like R1 million in SA for that same house. Ridiculously expensive. I've never seen something so silly in my life.
Yeah, Slashy, the thing is, you'll say he's lost 5 trades since last year, June. But those 5 trades has blown his account basically twice. That's the thing. He's only lost 5, but he's blown an account twice because of this. So you gotta understand how big those losses are.
No, those are naughty losses, Chad. Those are losses. Keeks, will you ever move to New Zealand, my brother?
I don't know. I haven't been there. Like, I must say I like the, if you want to say the vibe there, I do like it. But I don't know. My cousin actually just moved there.
Yeah, I just want to get that area. It was there was a little town close to it, and when I had the meetings with them, I still told them I think I'll live in that. Wait. Wait, let me see. I think my wife didn't want to go. She still said like, oh, you can go and come back every 3 months. I'm like, nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah. And the thing is, I would have been in the top 1% of earners, but still you're not, yeah, I don't, let me just check the area.
It's cold down where you were looking on New Zealand maps.
Chad, I can't. Wait.
Yeah, Don lost 192k that day. Yeah.
Okay, no, I don't know where.
Dunedin.
Is it not Taranaki? It's something weird. Chad, this is gonna bother me. We're just gonna wait. No, it wasn't Tara. Was it Taranaki? Wait, let me see. It was yeah. Chad, I got it. It was his other brother, Danny Firk or whatever. So this was the place I would have worked. The offices was a little bit out here. There's a reserve here. No man, is it? Yeah. Danny Firk. Yeah. Yeah, somewhere out on this road, the offices were, yeah. Nah, Keeks, I can't, bro. How's the weather here, my bro? This is like more south, yeah, Danneberg. This doesn't look cool, bro. This, like, when I saw it.
I'm not even surprised there, but I see like rugby fields. That's all I see.
Nah, bro, this is like farm area, like a little small. So yeah, no. All right, Chad. Yeah, things are moving. What's happening here? Euro. What is dollar doing? Are we okay? Dollar testing Asia lows, rejecting GBP USD back above that key level. All right, Chad. Are we gonna get a retest and a hold here? I'm waiting for that. We've got our alerts set. Do we? We do have our alerts. Key level. Let's see if we get that. Euro. I don't like this double tap into the Asia range. Not a fan of this, so I'm gonna wait for a retest and a hold here maybe. And then what is UJ doing? Already extended. Okay. GJ was there news? No, wasn't news. Let's see. A lot of volume coming through here. EJ. Let's just see. Oh, EJ. Okay, there's that key level area. Session low, a little bit of a reversal here. 7 pips away. Okay, Chad, let's see. I'm gonna actually set the alerts here for us. Beautiful. 108.55. Let's see. Asia highs. All right, let's see if we can hold that level. GU steep retest. 80 is still struggling here. Looking at Euro GBP, still in a range. So let's see, Chad. Also, same here. If we can retest this key level, hold, break, I'm gonna go for it. $2.7. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a retest, Chad. I'm gonna wait for a retest. I'm a bit weary moving to another country only because natural disasters are on a minimum in SA. No, agreed. I agree. I love South Africa. You guys, Springboks supporters, of course, my dude. I'm one of the biggest Springboks supporters there are. South Africa has now firmly cemented themselves as one of the best rugby teams in the world. Cannot take that away from the box. Credit to Rattle Fix for allowing me to find this channel, to Chad, baby. There's a future projects mentorship program. Please participate. There's a lot of insights behind just the streams. Thanks so much, Vince. Your project 5130. Rashiki, very well said, brother. We create our own disasters. We love to have a tough here in SA. We love a challenge. Chris, a little breakdown on DXY, please, brother. 100%. I've got you. Looking at the daily, my bro, I'm still bearish. I'm actually expecting us this week to come and fall this week. That is the expectation. Only thing is we've got some ground to clear here. This is where I think you'll get some type of bounce. Because previously this was a big resistance area, broke through. And we're testing this again. So if the bulls are going to step in, this is where they need to step in. And if you go down to the 5 minute, there's that key level there. Everything is looking bearish though. You cannot deny the fact that if you look at this, you can clearly see that the trend, let me just do this. You can clearly see the trend is down. So at no stage is this series of price action bullish. We have to be very honest with ourselves. This is still bearish. And I can only really technically get bullish again once we get above these levels. Once we get above there, and then obviously once we get above here, in the short term, I can get bullish. But I think that the bulls are really, really back in play once we're above here. Then I can say, listen here, this correction is done. The bulls are back. But up until then, you cannot deny this. Just look at this. I'm not a trend line trader, but just visually tell me what is bullish about this. Like nothing is bullish here. So, but at any time can this bearish trend snap, and that's what I just want to be very aware of. Chris, can you also compile us high probability setup regarding the Asia highs and lows in the education section? Tini, that entire playbook is high probability if you use it correctly. You don't need more than this. If you need more than this, Tini, you weren't listening in class here. If you need more than this, nobody's giving you that. So no. There's no such thing as a low probability and a high probability trade. Technically all the probabilities are the same. The only time when the probability is in your favor is when there's volume and you know how to manage risk. That's the only time probability will be in your favor. Do I hear Justin?
Oh, this is other guy.
Chad, how's the training been going? Keeks, you guys didn't take anything yesterday, eh? Nothing. Anything you're looking at this morning, yeah, or not?
A goal, but I said to the guys, honestly, we were talking about also the migration. So if I took something now, I'm paper trading.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's nothing like, I don't like the ranging market. Obviously, I'm gonna make the most out of it with the funded account, but I won't trade on my personal account right now. I can be patient with that.
All right, we've got that rejection. I've got my alert set there. EU breaking back into the range here. 80 starting to flip bearish. Was this a potential trade? I don't know. How big is this Asia range? This Asia range 9 pips. Not big at all. Daily pivot down here. Euro GBP. Alright, breaking lows there now. So Euro now all of a sudden looking like it's on the back foot. I think I'm gonna wait for GU, guys. Monthly pivot here. Multiple rejections of the monthly pivot. We've got our key level here. And we've got our daily pivot here. We don't have much room to play with up until Asia lows, but let's see. Keegs, anything on the terminal you picking up, my brother?
If you quickly.
Dollar coming back with a vengeance here. And then this 200. This 200 EMA has been. This 200 EMA has been something for the dollar to get through. So very interesting day here. Very interesting.
No, so far nothing. That's like in major news.
Let's see if we can get something here today, chat. 6 pips already. UJ starting to fight back. GJ. Okay, GJ rejecting there. Euro. This is the week. No, it's not the weekly low. Interesting. Keeks, Euro. Are you bearish on the Euro pairs?
No, bullish.
Bullish. Okay. A little bit of a mix day. A little bit of a mix.
Yeah, it is. It's a bit like all over the place.
It's a little bit of a mixery. What is the? Chad. Let's look at those options.
Did you? Oh yeah, didn't you take something?
Yeah. I took.
It's been like 2 days now.
I took call options on GU.
Come on, Chris. Let's see it.
All right, Chad. There's that break. Hourly literally closed an hour. 5 minutes ago. No top wick. Ooh. It's just this, Chad. Look at this. I just want to show you guys this quickly. If you look at GU, you can see that we are starting to form some type of ceiling here. And I've seen when price compresses like this, especially against, let's call this almost like an equal high structure. When price starts to do this, it is like getting ready to take out these highs. And why do I say it's ready to take out those highs? Because here's the thing. If you look at all of your lows, you're creating higher lows as you go up. These lows are consistently getting higher and higher. So I'm very careful to take shorts here, especially with all of that resting above there. And again, it's things I've seen play out. It's not any SMC cookie cutter stuff. This is just real market participation. So no, I think I'm underwater with those call options. But let's see.
We have faith in you, Chris. Bring it home, brother.
Oh no, actually not. It's actually not looking relatively flat. Now there it's starting to tickle a little bit. Chad, here's the options. Here's the options chart. Was in the money early this morning, up around here, 59. Premium on these were 47.59. So that was about, what is that? 10 contracts, $100 per point. Yeah, we're gonna see.
How much was that up?
No, I think only like 1,000. Let me just see. Can't be 10,000 though, could it?
Cause you that little bit down, and that's 3.
Yeah, no, yes, was that 10,000 up?
Oh, Chris, hold on.
No, we'll check.
I'm just checking about this. If this is the case, bro, you left 7, last week on the table.
No, but remember, this is a demo account, eh? Yeah.
Oh, is that why you were so chill, bro?
No,
That was
dude,
real. I was like, you were so chill,
dude.
leaving 7, And now, like,
If
you're
I
leaving
left
10,
£7,000 on the table,
and now you left 10,000, I'm gonna be like, yes, this bro. Man's got ice in his veins.
let's quickly check. Just want to see what the options tree is showing me. FX. Let's quickly look at the weekly expiries on. Yeah, the premium for calls is still more expensive, so it's still leaning more towards the long side. Quite a big differential against Alright, Chad, let's see if we can get a little break and retest here, and then we can take those shorts. Monthly pivot, Asia highs. Let's see, maybe we trade this all the way down to the weekly pivot. I'm going to try and go for those shorts, purely due to the fact that we couldn't get above here. We couldn't hold above here. And again, 6 days almost of push. Could be a range day today, but could also be a reversal day. So I'm checking it. I'm done for the day. Two shots, 1B, 1 TP. Ah, beautiful, Ed. IG markets, my brother. IG markets. Geeks, do we have our first calls today? Eh? We do.
Yeah.
Let me just see. Oh, 1 o'clock. So you've got Akko, Alberno, Arnu. I've got Alex, Alistair, and Bevan.
Yeah, so I just got Akko and Alverna because I
Arnu,
don't know. I'm
okay.
rescheduling that one.
Then Neil, Keek, so for Thursday, Neil just asked that we swap around.
Yeah, sure.
He's obviously more a pivot trader.
Yeah, no, that's chilled.
Prostate calls. No. OnlyFans calls. What did my young Jeff catch here? Oi, Jeff. Question is, did you get in, my brother? From the looks of it, you didn't get in. Jeff, how did you get in there, my brother? Jave, how's that funded account coming on, my brother? I hope that funded account is running blue as well.
I'm gonna make a call. You didn't take it on the funded account.
If you didn't take it on the funded account, Jave, we need to chat, my brother. There's no such thing as...
Please tell me you took it on the funded account.
Jave, running blue. Chat to me.
Almost up 1%.
Alright, Jave. Young Java Leva. Javadonia. Beautiful Jave. Yo, this playlist. No. Unacceptable playlist, yeah. Keegs, have you watched that Killing Eve?
Killing Eve.
Yeah, on Netflix. So good.
I don't know. You'd have to ask Kate.
Beautiful, Jeff. Chad, it's going to be a good year when Javen gets over his funding jitters. The Beekeeper, is it good? I think Keegan mentioned the Beekeeper, Keeks. You've watched it. Is it good?
That is.
Bro, I don't know. My today's chalked for me. Not the day completely, but I was looking bullish coming into the session. We flipped bearish now. DXY breaking through that 200. US 30 consolidating, NAS consolidating, gold rejecting that key level 2037. GU, there's that break below the pivot. Not just going to trade it like this. It's going to wait for a retest. Euro, was this a missed opportunity? Hard to tell. We've got the half round here. Listen, what happened yesterday with Jeff? I see somebody chirping about Jeff doesn't know what a fair value gap is or something. What happened yesterday? I see in the
Who
comments, the one guy commented, let me go and check. Hey, the oaks are climbing into my boy Jeff here. Where's the comments? What happened, Keeks? Were the oaks getting stuck into Jeff yesterday?
No. Jeff just made a comment that I don't think was a valid comment.
What did he say?
He just said if you take a 4 hour candle, if you take the wick of it, you draw a box on that wick on a lower time frame in the 50-minute chart, there will be a fair value gap, and that fair value gap will be your demand or whatever for your entry. And the guys went into him like about that, and then there were like 3 fair value gaps, and then there was this, and then he was like,
Okay,
join
let's
3,
test.
and then they were saying like those aren't fair value gaps. And then the one guy
Okay.
said, what? It's not a fair value gap, it's a bullish engulfing.
Okay, let's see here. So this is technically on GJ, 4 hour body.
So you're saying that, but now draw it. Hold on. So like you're saying now, pull it from the left side.
Just ask him if we can do after 2. Just tell him we have load shedding. Alright, chat.
So hold on. Pull. Which one are you looking at? The left one.
Yeah, this
So
one, yeah. So technically,
So yeah, it must be on the wick. So just pull the left side of it like onto the wick.
oh, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so technically this is this took out that high, so this is a valid. So on the 15 minute.
Yeah. If you go to the 15, there should be a fair value gap in there.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, Jeff. Okay, what is a fair value gap? So the last bearish candle. So technically this fair value gap there has been mitigated. That there has already been mitigated. Yeah. So that has been mitigated. A fair value gap is, let me show you guys what is a fair value gap.
Like I said, I'm staying out
That
of that one. That's
this
not how
this
I
is
trade. I
this is
wouldn't-
also technically a fair value gap. It's where the top wick and the bottom wick don't touch, but I know the guys say, oh, you have to use the third candle. So from your bearish 1, 2, 3. So then that technically also becomes a fair value gap. So gapping values for fairness. All right, guys, we are into this order block, and what we're going to do now is we're going to wait for a chock. So into the demand, we've taken out a low, liquidity has been swept, and now we just need a change of character, a nice chock here, and then once we've chocked, we're going to go for that fair value gap. We're going long here on GJ Kiggs.
Bro, I'll back it, bro.
We're going for a young chock and a boss. A young chock. Chad, here's my thing with SMC, if I'm very honest, and I don't want to climb into Jeff's strategy or whatever. If you take any strategy, even a simple fib strategy, and you just do the same thing over and over, and you're consistent with the way that you manage your stop loss, the way that you manage your take profit, you can be profitable. If I'm very honest, even if you've got a mechanical system, like there's so many ways just to keep it simple. Now, I have to say the smart money guys, their charts look pretty cool. All of those little chocks and liquidity lines and fifteen minutes. Okay, yeah, we've got a S&D flip now. Dollar has now flipped bullish. Yeah, I don't even want to trauma. Chad, listen here. I don't know where's all the ICT. Is there any ICT fans in the chat? Let me know quickly.
Oh, Chris, you sure you want to do this?
Yeah. I'm hungry to do this. Chad, show me any ICT fans in the chat. Let me just show you this. Any ICT fans in the chat? Let me know. Chad, talk to me. Any ICT, and look, even some of the concepts from ICT I use. So I'm not gonna try and make fun of you. I just wanna know any ICT fans here in the chat. Alright, Keeks, so you know I am 7.
Yeah.
I am 7 is also a trader. So he's the one that got what's the name into the Robbins ICT.
Okay.
And then he also said he'll wait for ICT. He doesn't want a head start. He wants a fair playing field. ICT must let him know once he takes his first trade.
Yeah.
So I am 7 yesterday took his first trade.
So is RCT taking his first one?
Yeah, ICT took his first trade. Let me just show you
So how much is the market maker up?
ICT is not even on the leaderboard yet, but so I'm 7, the master, took his first trade yesterday, is already second on the leaderboard with 72% gain.
Yes.
Yeah. Now my question, Chad. So I am 7 was he did it in very good spirit. I think that's why ICT accepted. He's like, bro, we can even donate all of these funds to a charity. Like, let's just give the people what they want. And my question now is, Keeks, do you think ICT loses face after claiming that he developed the algorithm for the currency market that he's gonna beat Larry Williams' record. Like stating it as fact, not saying, oh, I'm gonna try and go, like stating it as fact. And at the end of the year, the guy that called you out that still waited almost 2.5 months to take his first trade claps you sideways.
No, that's rough, eh? That is. I think he's gonna feel it. The backlash is gonna come for him now. I've always said to you guys, like, that's still the one consequence. Though. If you're gonna run your mouth, you must know the consequence when it comes back at you.
No, look, if you can be profitable the way Jeff trades, the smart money concepts, all of that, use it, Chad. There's no right or wrong. My thing is just, I've said it so many times, so many of the claims ICT have made has been debunked. Like this Asia range, it works. It's a concept that works. You can see it work. We've actually developed some concepts around it as well. I've got no issue. My thing just with ICT, like I said, it's he went with the all-in play here. He put all his chips on the table, and I don't know how this is going to affect his. Like, he's been quiet ever since. Like, if you go onto Twitter, that man has vanished. The last time he posted something was on Feb the 14th. If I go into the comment section, I think guys are already going to drill him. ICT, Chad. He needs to do it for all the ICT fanboys. Yeah, there's a lot of strategies, dude. JV, consistent in what you do, never change concepts. I told you before, what you said 5 years ago, you would say in 500 years to come. Keeks, I think we must sit and JV must show us his strategy. I want to see. Because JV has got a lot of strategies. JV has got a lot of strategies.
Oh, Jeff.
Yeah, Jordan, I don't know. That is, bro, 11,300%.
But
Did
to
anyone
be
look?
fair, hey, like, you even think about that though, what I'm 77% of one trade.
Yeah, bro,
That is madness.
Yeah, it's got a lot of concepts. You can't use all of them. I've had very, very little success with ICT. I came across a local guy. He actually, this indicator here, the 742, this 942. Just want to show you. So he basically claimed that this is the real fair value. These are the real fair value gaps. So let's quickly go in here. Must I change this? GMT -4. Okay, let's just go.
What the hell's BTMM?
Beat the market maker. Ooh,
No.
trauma again. Trauma all over. Let's just. So I must actually show this to Jeff. So this indicator, the 942 open, that's literally 12 minutes after the open. They basically believe that this is the real fair value gap. So all these, let me maybe change the color so you guys can see it. And I used these concepts, like it worked for a while, like crazy. Like these these lines you see here, that's now technically the real gaps in the market, like the real fair value gaps. And it worked like you wouldn't believe, and up until it didn't work. So, and then I was like, nah, RCT is just a rabbit hole you don't want to get involved in. B. Sudesh Nayak. Have taken any trades so far? No, Marvin. Like I said, it's a pretty mixed day for me. Already started the day, I was looking for potential buys for the fact that we were holding this level. Didn't get my buy entries. Then looking for shorts now potentially. But again, as stated, could be a range bound day with DXY now holding that 200, and then Euro looking at this daily pivot as well. So could potentially get some trades here below the daily pivot. Also not the weekly low or the daily. Okay, it is the daily low, yeah. But no trades for me as of yet. Markets are still relatively flat. GU only down 0.09% on the day. UJ down 0.3%. GJ down 0.38%. No entries for me though. I can potentially, yeah, but I don't know. Like, why do I want to take this on the daily low here? So no, nothing yet. Are the calls this afternoon on Discord or Zoom, Chris? We're gonna do it on Discord. Dorito, maybe make, if you can, my brother, there by the VIP section, can we create a Keegan channel and a Chris channel? If we can do that, then Keegan can jump into his channel, I can jump into mine. Imbalance finder. Jev, are you gonna give me me and Keegan a course on your strategy? Keegs, I can't believe you never went down that rabbit hole of BTMM.
Nope.
I know Jev went down that rabbit hole as well. Jev definitely went down that rabbit hole.
Hey, this rate, I'm happy.
BTMM. Chad, this is... Ooh. I just want to show you a BTM. Yeah. Oh, this is what your charts look like. Bro, there's so much. You actually need to be a robot. You have to be a robot. This is your chart. This is what your chart's gonna look like. All of this previous daily highs, the Mayo, the shark fin against the aqua, or whatever that blue one was, the aqua. That's your 800 EMA. Then you're looking for a peak formation. Oh, Chad. This is trauma in one picture. You can, Dorito. Wayne, stay away, dude. If I ever tell somebody to go and do BTMM, you know, I don't actually like them. I want to destroy their life. Like, that's literally... If I ever tell somebody go do BTMM, Chad, then you don't have to say anything, but I must really hate that person. and I don't really hate people. BTMM will end your trading journey. Gerald Peters. Who's Gerald Peters? Keeks, top 3 traders that you respect.
We're talking about the big boys.
Yeah, but you're not allowed to say Q-Banks.
Nah, funny enough, I wasn't gonna say it now. Josh Purveyor.
Josh, he's solid.
Josh. Derek Vandy.
I don't really know Derek.
And I'm still gonna go Alex G. Now the thing is, and the reason I know that there will be a lot of controversial around the Alex G thing was, but my thing is still today, and that's the argument is, for example, all those trades he sent out on that 100 to 600k he got it to, all those trades were sent out.
Yeah.
They were sent out, they were analyzed, they were all of that. So the man can still trade. Whether it's business side, all those things, other things, but
He has a fair value. Sorry, Keeks, that's a fair value gap.
yeah, those are my top 3. What about you?
I'm gonna go with Larry Williams.
Okay, well, hold on.
Wait,
I thought we were talking like influencers here.
No, any trader, like big boy trader, where you learn something or you pick something up from.
Okay.
So Larry Williams, obviously, his book. I think I've read 3 of his books. The mind shift came in for me. So okay, let me just first say Larry Williams, Tom Hogard, beautiful book. Keeks, you haven't read it. I'll bring it to you to read. Tom Hogard, and in third, look, I have to give RCT some credit. Like, firstly, doing all of that work, even though however confusing it is, like he put in the work. He shared a lot of concepts. The guys that had some brain used what's valuable from that, and they've done well. So I have to say those 3. I have to give him, like, this Asia range thing came from him. Took me down the rabbit hole a bit up until I chalked everything else, but yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, if we considering that, like, technically, then the only one I would change, where I'd say it's a fight, is obviously Alex G and Larry Williams. That would be the only one. The other 2 I'd still keep there.
I've got no issue with Mark Douglas. I've listened to his book as well.
There we got an RCT fanboy.
Where Twin Traders, baby. ICT. Genre, yeah, JC is obviously a legend, but I haven't seen any of his material yet. So I'm not saying, like, I'm talking specifically where I've gained value from their material.
King
So-
Shaq, who's your mentor? I'm interested to see this is Joe Alex.
Oh, I know who he's talking about. Weird guy though. Hey, so King Shaq doesn't even respect us, bro. No, man, King. Only guy he respects, so he doesn't respect us. No, man, King Shaq. What's happening here, my brother? No, Joe Alex, I've seen he does also a lot of content. I don't know what he teaches though. But I know exactly. He's got like a chubby face, black hair. I'll show you now. I'll follow him as well.
No, not like that. I respect.
Twin Trader. Is Twin Trader's not the guy that was
He's
always
the one
come-
you were fighting with about RCT, where you got deep into it about him.
Did I fight with
You
him?
fought with
No,
him, where you were
man.
arguing all the RCT concepts with him. That was Twin Traders.
Okay, Twin Traders. Twin Traders. I'm gonna do you a solid here. If you can send me 6 months of statements where you traded your ICT concept successfully, you can even just I wouldn't share it with anyone else. You can even give me the investor password. I'm gonna give you a 2 million rand vault funded challenge account. You can choose. You can either get the 2 million. No, 6 months is fine. 6 months is, you must just send me the investor password. I'm going to give you either 100k. You can choose the 100k one, or I'll give you the 2 million one. You can just send me the investor password.
This just got interesting.
So yeah, any ICT trader in here that can send me an investor password 6 months. I'll give you that account for free. I'll even go a step further. We'll put you on phase 2 already. So
Nah, you're mistaking me for someone else.
okay, no.
There's someone else with a similar name. Okay, nah, cool.
Yeah, any ICT trader that uses all of that concepts, 6 months trade statement, showing me where you're profitable. I'm giving you that. Phase 2. We're putting you straight to a phase 2. If you trade ICT, not a hybrid system, like full on ICT. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, high of the week. Market maker, buy model, sell model, seek and destroy, London extension, NYSE reversal, all of these key concepts. Phase 2, 2 million. Only need to make 5%. Seek and destroy, bro. That seek and destroy has killed many accounts. That's why it's called seek and destroy. It seeks out your vulnerability to believe everything the internet says without testing it, and then it destroys your account.
Nah, well, hold on. Hey, the chat's saying that this is the real guy. They even like use someone that tried tuning me.
I've seen that name. Twin Traders, don't be that kind of.
No, this is the same as that Connor that came in here.
Just
and then
man
Connor
up.
wanted to be like, oh, it wasn't
Just
me.
man
And
up, bro. Don't be weird. Like if you messed up, we all men here. We can make mistakes. Can we use Vault from the USA, my brother? No comment there. Let's not. I don't want to get into hot water here. Yeah, if you messed up Twin Traders, it's fine, brother. We don't hold grudges here. Like,
oh yeah, there's Connor still here. Actually, fact, now that he's back, can we just ban him? I've just been waiting for this man to get
Chad.
back.
Guys, wait. Oh,
This
shucks.
Connor is the one that needs a flipping PK.
Okay, wait. Connor. Is Connor the guy that comes onto your stream?
And yeah, but he loves our stream.
Just a little one for Connor. Okay, Connor. Brother, what's up? Wait, before we ban him. Connor, what's up, my brother? You alright?
Chris has a good heart. Yeah, unlike yours, my brother.
No, I wanna find. No, man, Etienne, come on. Wait, Etienne. Mods, wait. Let me just hear what's wrong here. Let's just first, yeah. Connor, what's up, my brother? What's bothering you? Eti is way too quick. Eti, wait, let's sort this out. I don't want this. Yeah. Connor, what's up, my brother? Are you alright? There's obviously something. Yeah, here's my thing, Chad. If you're coming onto a stream bashing somebody else that's doing something that you are potentially not doing, there's something in your own heart that's convicting you. And the reason why you're bashing is because you want to make yourself feel better about your own lack of discipline or your own lack of putting in the work. So then it's very easy to come and bash someone that's putting in the work, that's showing up daily. So
yeah, this kind of loves you just not answer the questions. Man, once he come
what did he say to you guys?
He came on bashing, trying to bash me, trying to bash Jevon.
What did he say to you guys?
Honestly, I can't remember. It's been so long. Kings brought up my name. Ask him. Nah, bro. Honestly, don't even have time for fucking idiots like you. The thing is, the man wants to tune, but clearly then hides in the shadows to watch what we trade in and watch what we do. Yeah, then I still remember he was all tough and he's, I'll come here. And then we still said, here's the dress, come here. And then Connor just.
Oh, is it from P? Connor, quickly send me a Instagram message. I'm going to send you a Zoom link quick. Let's get Connor on here, Chad. Let's see this man up here. Connor, send me I'm going to start a meeting here quick. I don't want to share it in the chat. Just send me a Instagram message real quick. I'm going to share the link there. I don't think Connor has chatted to me. Connor, please, my brother, we're quickly going to get you onto this Zoom here. Okay, link is ready.
Let's see these keyboard warriors, if they've got any balls on them.
Connor is back, baby. We're going to get Connor on now, Chad. Just waiting here. Let me just refresh my IG. Mtar. Oh, no, it's not him. Wait, let me see. Request. Mary Jane. Oh, my goodness, Mary Jane.
You see, this is what I love also, is like the Chad will never let it slip. The Chad, they even remember this, bro.
No, I think Twin Peaks, we forgive him, my brother. All right, Chad, baby, we're getting Connor on. The one and only Poloni from Benoni. I'll fly down and come see
that's what
you.
he said last time,
Connor, man, listen here. Come on, brother. Send me a quick IG message. Let's get Connor back on the chat. Let's talk this thing out. Let's leave the keyboards. Connor, baby, let's go. Chad, we're just waiting for Connor. That horn is short.
Bro, we've been telling Chris that these are new.
No, bro. Bro, this horn has done some.
That thing's dead. Did you like fight with it for 2 seconds to get like a good one?
Hey, Chad, this horn is putting like kicks. I think with a little bit of sellotape, it's definitely losing some back pressure here.
Oh, I'm chilled, yeah. Little Morphe can't fucking come on a cattle.
No, man, Connor, come on, man. You can't talk a big game. This is now your opportunity now to speak your truth. Send me let me see if I've got a Connor here in my DM somewhere. I know there was a Connor. There was a Connor a while back that was all up in arms about Vault Funder and the emails are only replied to within an hour, this, that. Anyways, blew his account, but let's see how do I search? There must be a Connor on here. Connor, where are you, my brother? Don't trade us. Do you want to come on? Who wants to come on to the chat? Who wants to come on? Let me know.
Yeah, Eddie, bro, I'm with you. I'm at this point. Chris has given him a chance to man up, and we saw he's maybe a transgender at this point. I don't know what's going on there, but he might as well just get rid of him now.
Hey, Chad, Connor.
Because this is his chance. Now that we have his name, now we can actually block him this time. So there's no more him on the stream.
I don't think you can block. Can you?
Yeah, you can.
How do you do that?
Keith versus Anton. I must say, I actually missed that man, eh? The muscle bay. Was gewoon muscle bay too.
Where's where's Pro Song? I'm concerned about Pro Song. Chad, where is Pro Song? I feel like Pro Song is hiding here somewhere.
Where is Pro? He normally said he is always in the chat.
Yeah,
but
he
just
is
doesn't
Pro
message.
Song, brother. Show yourself, my man. Chad, I think we're gonna do a 5K giveaway here today. If Pro Song can come on, we're doing Pro Song. Where's Pro Song? Where's Pro Song? Dude, if Pro Song comes up now, my week is made. I'm basically taking the week off. If Pro Song is in the chat, Pro Song, please, my brother.
You blocked that Conrad. You gave him his chance.
Yeah, I just put him in timeout, so you can still watch the stream, but his messages won't ever. Chad, let's all quickly put some good vibes together for Pro Song. Brave Pro Song is on here. I'm gonna pass out. I promise
Well, yeah,
you.
guys, Jevin said, I do remember that. Two Brothers Capital.
No, it was Two Brothers Capital. I'm waiting here, my brother. Sudesh. I'm just waiting. Yes, that this could potentially be a nice short setup here. All we need is like a little bit of a reversal setup, something like this. Then we can take it. Otherwise, as mentioned, could be a range day because here's my thing. We've taken Asia highs.
Chris, also, just keep in mind that we've got calls in 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah, it's 10 minutes. Chad. Apologize. I still need to eat.
Yeah.
Chad, we're going to see you guys at 4 o'clock. We need to wrap up 30 calls this week with the VIP guys. Yeah, Keeks, thanks so much.
Yeah, no,
Sorry,
for the sudden disappear,
yeah.
guys, but
Yeah, sorry for the late start today, Chad. But yeah, Connor, wherever you are, brother, keep that heart pure, keep it clean. Yes,
we did send the address, so whenever you do find your balls again, you can happily come here for a PK.
here's the thing, Chad. If you've got hate towards somebody else, that's like drinking the poison, thinking the other guy's gonna die. Just let it go. If you want to go to that next level, forgive, forget, whatever it is. Keep your heart pure. Keep your heart clean. Nothing good will come to you if you've got that mentality. So keep that heart pure and clean, my brothers. And we actually gonna. This one is for Connor, my brother. We love you. Get that swine out of your heart. Slaughter that swine in the heart. And this one is for you, brothers. Chad, baby. It is Tuesday. We'll do Keeks. We're gonna do two. Two's too heavy. It's end of the month. We still need to fly to Joburg next week. Yeah, Keeks will do a giveaway 4 o'clock this afternoon. Chad, thank you so much. Peace and love, baby.